Hello children, so I'm back again and today we are going to do the revision of letter B but in a very interesting way. That is, we are going to do worksheets. The first one is we are going to find and color letter B. Yes, and the other one is solving a maze. Solving the maze for a bear. So let's start. In this worksheet, can you see there are so many different letters in the circle? Yes, and we are going to find and color letter B. And do you love to color, children? Okay, so let's start. Where is letter B, children? Can you help me find it? Oh, I can see there is a big circle and there is B inside it. So now teacher is going to color it. Let's color letter B. Okay, so we have finished coloring this circle. So can you find few more B? Is this letter B, children? No, it's E. Okay, so we are not supposed to color it. Where is letter B? Is this letter B? Yes. So teacher is going to color this small circle as well. And now, where is letter B? Is this letter B? No, it's letter C. Okay, where is B? Where is B? Is this letter B? No, it's letter D. So we can't color it. Where is B? Yes, I can see. Here is letter B. So shall I color it? Okay, so let's color letter B. Okay, so children, we have colored all the B. So thank you for helping teacher. So as we finished with our finding and coloring the letter B worksheet, now we are going to solve a maze by helping the bear to get to the beehive. So let's help the bear. Is a bear. Bear. And just right below over here there is a beehive. Beehive. And inside it there is tasty honey. The bear wants to eat that honey. But how can he get to the beehive as the bear is standing over here? So children, we are going to help the bear to get to the beehive. So can you find any way? Yes, I can see an arrow. So we should start from here. But remember children, when we start, we cannot move out of these two lines. So let's help the bear. So here we start. We walk. Now we take a turn. Come down. Slowly. Now there is a turn. So we have to be careful as we cannot walk out of these two lines. So again we are going to take a turn. Come down slowly. Yes. Again there is a turn. Now we will come down and we will go up. Oh, there is a beehive. So the bear found the beehive and he is very happy and saying, "Thank you everyone for helping me to get to the beehive." So children, what all things we did today? Yes, we did the worksheet of finding and coloring the letter B and also we solved a maze. But for whom? for the bear. Yes, we helped him to get to the beehive. I hope you all had fun with teacher, and next time we are going to learn something else and have more fun. See you next time. Bye bye.